How to find who can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then privacy, and here just go down and you will find this one, who can join me in experiences. You will find it on friends and users I follow, and you can change it to anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.